apartment hunting. You enter a model flat and you are so impressed that you want your house to be just like that. How many of us are familiar with that scenario? Maybe all of us. Model flats always have a storybook perfection about them. They look pristine, coordinated and lived in without being messy. Why don't our homes appear like one? Where are we going wrong? If I say we are going to the right place, making our dream homes appear like those pristine model flats. Hi everyone, I am architect Meenal Dubey and today SPACIUX Spotlight is on Curious Canvas. I have Amarja Nafre with me, a partner at Curious Canvas. Hi Amarja.
Hi.
I'm really curious to know more about Curious Canvas. Why it is different from other interior designer service providers?
Hi Meenal, thank you for covering Curious Canvas in SPACIUX Spotlight. Let me explain you the concept of Curious Canvas in this way. What if I told you that you can select all your design aspects of your home without stepping out of your home, which is very risky and cumbersome during this pandemic, right? Would you believe that just sitting in the comfort of your home, you can choose state-of-art designs not only from India but also from all over the world?
Oh really? Do I have that option?
Yes, certainly. The options are limitless. Curious Canvas is India's first ever company to launch its ultra unique concept of customized interior designing, which is empowered by cutting-edge technology of virtual walkthrough. It is an end-to-end solution for all your interior needs.
So as you are aware, I have been in this industry for the last 20 years. With so many projects done, I know the pain and trouble it takes to make a house. Curious Canvas works on an interactive platform where the client can pick and choose from wide range of wardrobes, beds, kitchens, study units and other wall arts. We can provide to a client a perfect solution within an hour. The best part is that he can also have a complete tour of his home with the selected furniture on a VR based platform. Whole design then goes for production where it is completed in 70 days. Basically, we hand over your dream home in 90 days. While the furniture is being manufactured, we start selecting on the home decor. The decor plays a most important part of any of the houses. Each piece and design is selected by our specialized stylist.
The site that I usually get is a very well designed site. But it usually lacks or is incomplete without the dressing and the styling. So that's where I come in. I take into consideration clients' taste, their requirements, and from there on start selecting accessories and curating. I then bring it all together and style the space and create an inviting space that reflects the client's personality and the vision.
Here I'm going to show you a brief process about how the plywood is made. So it's right from the selection from the forest, and these are eucalyptus trees. It's timber specifically which is in the southern forests, and this is the process where actual plywood making happens. So it's like starting from the selection of the bark to the rotary cut to gluing, stacking, pressing happens. So there are 11 layers of ply, 11 layers where everything is pressed together in regular, and then you get a finished product. So there is international quality check at each and every stage of this process. So this is how it works, and you get an end product like this.
Why Curious Canvas? Because we provide customized furniture, tailor-made furniture. So it is as per your desire, and that is how we say we design your desire. It's all factory-made furniture. So only installation is happening at your place. So it's hassle-free and no more carpentry work at your place. Good quality assurance as we are using only better quality marine ply. Internationally trained team and software with VR facility, so you know what you're getting. International tie-ups to pick up and choose from all over the world, so you have wide range for selection. International standards, measures and proper quality checks are done during the whole process. And lastly, guarantee and warranty on all our product range.
In a nutshell, there is no place like Curious Canvas, which is one-stop shop for all your interior design dreams. Curious Canvas will open your eyes to a never before imagined world of possibilities and beautify your home beyond your dreams. This firm is revolutionizing the way customized homes are curated. So do visit their experience center in Prabhadevi, Mumbai.